Want to remove the navigation buttons from the bottom of your Android phone screen? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to switch from navigation buttons to swipe gestures and get more screen space. So, let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your Android phone. Next, scroll down and tap on Display. Now, scroll down and tap on Navigation bar. Here, you'll see the navigation type option. By default, your phone may be using buttons, which displays the back, home, and recent apps buttons at the bottom of the screen. To remove these buttons, select Swipe Gestures. As soon as you select this option, the navigation bar will disappear, giving you more screen space. Now to go back, simply swipe inward from either side of the screen. To return to the home screen, swipe up from the bottom. And to view your recent apps, swipe up from the bottom and hold for a moment. And that's it! If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more practical Android tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.